Hey, this is Zach, and I moved recently, and I'm just now getting all my cars back up on the walls. I've got a lot of them up, but as you can see, I've got a long ways to go. I've still got a lot in all these drawers. And a couple of totes full that are in that closet. But once I get them all up, I'll start making some videos and stuff. I mostly just put pictures on Instagram. I've got almost 8,000 followers there. That's my main thing, is Instagram. If you don't follow me there, my name is Zach Diecast Mancer on there, and it's spelled ZACH underscore Diecast underscore Mancer, MANSUR. And I take semi-high quality pictures of cars and stuff on there. Sometimes I'll take pictures just of random stuff, random diecast stuff that aren't, the quality, I guess you can say, pictures. But for the most part, they are. So I'm not really trying to get a bunch of followers and stuff on YouTube. I probably will only make like 1 or 2 videos a month on there. I've got a bunch of older ones that are kind of bad, but they're there. I didn't make videos for quite a while after the first few that I posted up a few years ago, but I'm thinking about getting into it. I think there's a good little diecast community there, and it would be cool to kind of be a bigger part of that, I guess. Like I said, Instagram is my main diecast spot for social media, that is. I've met a lot of really good people on there, and there's a lot of really awesome pieces in my collection that I've got as a result of the people that I've met there. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know all about the Instagram stuff. That's where I think, in my opinion, I think that's where it's at as far as social media goes for diecast collecting. But anyways, I was just kind of doing a quick little flyby of the diecast man cave in here. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. My videos aren't all that great yet, but I'm gonna try to get better at making them and do some other cooler stuff diecast wise on there. So, but anyways, you guys have a good one.